Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. I know market is very challenging today, and that because of the market is waiting for the FOMC news this evening. But being an intraday trader and the price action trader, we manage very decent profit. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders to squeeze very good profit today through live intraday analysis. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how we manage very decent profit today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Okay, so if you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, well, yesterday we had such a nice beautiful short trade. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So we nicely hit the profit target. At the Asian session, we had this reversal. Even London morning session, we had such a nice trade. Target was around this level. Bank amazing profit, and after that we also had a short trade here. Some of the traders are still holding it. We're expecting a strength on dollar and weaknesses all the major pairs. We'll see how that's gonna go at the FOMC news. But I said to my trader, guys, bank some profit before the FOMC news. Right, so if the price gonna continue, we are expecting around this level price might gonna hit, but we'll see. But let me share with you guys how we manage decent profit. That's the more important thing is now. If you look at here, and if you look at this, this is the analysis I did at the Asian session, because we were expecting some sort of reversal at this level in 4-hour at the support level. So this is technically is a counter trade. As always mentioned, explain my trainer how to look the counter trade, and that's what I did this analysis. After that, you can see a beautiful counter trade here. Just before London open, I said to my trader, just bank some profit and let's see if we can get another pullback. So after this banking some profit, as always mentioned guys, now the price is broken the previous high, so look for another pullback at this level. We're only going to take a short if the price gonna break and develop a what you call it, retest. As you can see here, price nicely respected this level as mentioned in the analysis. Beautiful pullback, and I said to my trader, as long as the momentum is bullish, just keep taking a pullback. As soon as the price hit this level, as you can see here, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. After banking some profit, price nicely hit the profit target in 4-hour. Then I explained my trader, now expecting here we have rejection, so let's see if we can get a reversal. As mentioned here, if the price gonna break here with the live analysis, then long, otherwise we're expecting a short, because in 4-hour we're expecting a pullback after price broke on this one. That's what we're expecting here. So based on the momentum, as you can see, based on the our intraday system, give us the very beautiful entry. Even if you look at here, price broken after the breakout, price retest, they give us the confirmation, bank some profit, and then I said look for another short pullback. As you can see here, price develop another pullback as soon as the price hit to the support level in 4-hour, and that's what I explained my trader just now. Just time to enjoy some profit. So beautiful trade on EURUSD, pound dollar, amazing trade guys. As you can see here in 4-hour, if you look at here, yesterday we had such a nice beautiful short trade here, and at this the market open we had a long trade here and bank amazing profit, and afterwards we had a short trade here. Let me explain to you how we analyze the entries and exit. Okay, as mentioned yesterday, the price respected here. So this is the analysis at the Asian session. This is the you can see here, that was the pretty standard breakout as soon as the price broken and retest. Explain my trader, take a long trade here. So just before morning analysis, price was at this level, and explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. After banking some profit, look for another pullback. Pretty straightforward. You can see a straightforward. As you can see here, price came back as explained, look for this one, and as soon as the price broken and retest, give us the confirmation, another long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, previous high, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see at the New York session. At the New York session, as always, you can see here we were expecting, we had some nice rejection, and in intraday, that's what I explained my trader, you can see here we have this rejection, inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's the good sign for reversal, but safest way, look for pullback. You can see here price develop pullback. Look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. Explain, keep taking all this pullback. So we had an amazing trade on pound dollar, bank amazing profit, and dollar CAD we had a beautiful trade guys. At the Asian session we had a short trade here, and now at New York session we had a long trade here. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, that's what I explained to my trader through live analysis, that if the price gonna break, then we're taking a short, otherwise long here. And if you look at this candle, we have a bullish engulfing candle at the support level that give us the sign, and then we had the New York session, we had this long trade here, guys. Let me explain to you at the New York session and the Asian session, that was a beautiful short trade here, and afterwards we had a long trade here. Okay, so this is the analysis as you can see here at the Asian session. Explain my trader, if the price gonna break, keep taking a pullback. So you can see here breakout after this pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level in 4-hour, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if the price develop another pattern. Okay, so as you can see here, as soon as the price broken the previous high, as explained my trader, look for safest trade, look for pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely developed a pullback at the New York session, momentum was bullish, and we have bullish engulfing candle in 4-hour, all the elements, one alignment, and then beautiful long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, this resistance level, as you can see even in 4-hour, and that's what I explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit and keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, we have another pullback is performing it right now. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Or if you are struggling in this forex trading, most welcome, join my trading community. We'll train you with the live market, and not only just training you, we'll also give you funding. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market every single day, most welcome. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed. Have a nice evening. See you next time.